Hello dear children, today we are going to write a new letter F. So we will start with a slant line. We will touch the red line and come down straight as we used to come in L, B, H, K. But here there is one difference, that we will touch the lower red line, make a little curve, and then we will go inside and join this line and make a tail. Now here you will join between the two blue lines, in between the two blue lines. Okay, once again, slant, curve, come down, 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 touch the red line, curve and go inside, join this previous line in between the two blue lines, okay, here, and then make a small smiling tail. Smiley, we make a smiley like this now, so our tail will also be a small smiley tail. Okay, so one more time, slant, curve, come down straight, touch the red line, curve and go up, join here and make a small tail. The tail will be like we used to make in W and B. So slant, curve, come down, touch the red line, curve and go up, join in between the two lines and then make a small tail. So this is letter F. Now let me tell you, this letter F is really difficult letter. So you will have to keep all the things that I am going to tell you now in mind while writing. So children make a lot of mistakes in letter F. So first of all, coming down straight, till now letter L, B, H, K, children are coming down like this, or even if they are coming down straight, they are still, this type of drop is children are making. In B also children are making this type of drop. Similarly in H and K children are making this kind. So first of all, very little curve and come down straight, cut at the blue line. If you do not cut at the blue line, if you make a broad curve, your F is going to become very broad. And from down also, please do not make a very fat curve. If you make a very fat curve, this is going to become very fat like this. And secondly, some children, what they do, they make a beautiful F, but the tail they make straight. This is wrong. Some children, they join these two. See, can you see there is no gap? In these, if you see, there is a little gap here. If you cut at the blue line and then you join here, so there is a little gap. So this gap is important. Here also, everywhere you will see there is a gap. There's a gap, and here also. But if you do not leave this gap here, this is wrong. Okay? And some children, what they do, first they will make a curve, then they will not cut at the blue line, and then in order to leave the gap, they will join here on the blue line. This is wrong. So leave some gap and join here between the two blue lines. Next is what some children do is they make points here. This point and this point, absolutely wrong. Some children, what they do, they join here. That is also not correct, wrong. And some of them, they do not know how to turn this side. So what they do, they turn the opposite side and they make F like this. So this F is absolutely wrong. So once again I will tell you the correct formation: slant, curve, come down straight, little curve, join here between the two blue lines and make a small tail here. This tail should be little curved. It should not be flat. It should not be straight like this. And a long tail is absolutely no. Wrong. This long tail is wrong. Some children also make a very, very long slant line as the beginning line. So this long, even in L, B, H, K, everywhere I am seeing that children are making very long slant lines. These long slant lines are wrong. Ma'am told you, you have to go up, not far. If you go far, your line will become long. If you go up slant, your line will become shorter. But this is also wrong. There should be some kind of slant here, but if you go up straight, it is wrong. Little slant should be there. I hope F is clear to you now and you will write beautifully tomorrow. Okay, bye.